Welcome to this comprehensive discussion on the groundbreaking possibilities offered by mobile video editing. Today, we'll navigate through the significant benefits, real-world applications, inherent limitations, and expert advice designed to hone your editing prowess. Let's begin with the immense convenience mobile video editing brings into our lives. The ability to edit on the go, literally from the palm of your hand, offers a level of flexibility that is hard to match. Whether you find yourself at a lively concert or a high-stakes sports game, you can create and share video highlights almost instantaneously. Ease of use is another compelling advantage. Mobile video editing apps are designed to be intuitive, making the process accessible even to complete beginners. On top of that, affordability is a significant factor. Many mobile video editing apps come with a minimal price tag, and some are even free, which democratizes the world of video editing. The platform also encourages creativity with an array of creative tools at your fingertips. Add music, include text overlays, or even special effects. Your mobile device becomes a virtual editing studio. And let's not overlook the community aspect. Being part of an online group of mobile video editors allows you to exchange tips, techniques, and get feedback to enrich your skill set. Now, where does mobile video editing particularly excel? It shines in capturing spontaneous moments. Whether it's a goal at a soccer match or a memorable scene during a vacation, you can create an engaging video almost immediately. If you're a social media influencer or a small business owner, the quick turnaround is your secret weapon for audience engagement. Yet, it's essential to note the limitations. Even the most advanced mobile devices lack the screen real estate and processing power of desktop systems, so you may hit a few roadblocks for more complex projects. And while apps are feature-rich, they may not cover the advanced capabilities of desktop software fully. So how do you get started on the right foot? The first step is choosing the right app. Adobe Premiere Rush is geared toward those seeking professional tools. Kinemaster is excellent for beginners, while PowerDirector and Filmora offer a middle ground. Apps like Viva Video, InShot, and CapCut are more aligned with social media enthusiasts. And for those on iOS devices, iMovie and LumaFusion provide specialized options. Once you've chosen your tool, plan your project before diving in. This preparation saves time and keeps you focused on crucial elements. And remember, sometimes less is more. Let your content take center stage. As you edit, consider the auditory experience as well. A well-placed music track or sound effect can elevate your video, but used sparingly. The versatility of mobile video editing is wide-ranging. Whether you are a social media maven, a small business owner, an educator, or someone who wants to capture life's moments, the tool has something for everyone. As for where to find these apps, look no further than the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, and even individual developer websites. Social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube also offer native video editing tools, making the process even more streamlined. The timing for mobile video editing is subjective. Whether it's a scheduled block of time, a quiet environment, or a spur-of-the-moment inspiration, the choice is yours. Just ensure you have a stable internet connection if your chosen app requires it. To begin your mobile video editing journey, all you need is a mobile device with a decent camera and storage, a selected editing app, and your footage ready to be transformed. Thank you for joining this enlightening conversation on mobile video editing. We hope this knowledge empowers your future creative endeavors.